pointers to functions. So pointers to functions is basically a function which is uh, which is already exist, and we can use the pointers to call back those functions. And it's also used to select the functions dynamically during runtime. So one pointer can be used to select the particular functions. Depends on how we go write the code during runtime. You need not to be specified. No, it can be changed during the runtime. Then function pointers cannot be dereferenced. Function cannot be pointers cannot be dereferenced. That means the value cannot be taken from there, and also value cannot be modified. Just it can be only it can point. So there are two types of pointers to function. The function pointer that points to static member functions, and second point is a function pointer that points to non-static member functions. Two types of functions. That we'll see that later. So how it goes basically. So you know that we write the functions, right? How do we write a function? A function, and it's a data type. Then it's a return data type, and also we have a argument, input argument. It can be like this. Return data type is integer, and the function name is given like this. Okay, number underscore function, and of the argument is int x, one input argument. Like that we can specify. If you look at this code, we'll understand that. So you can I use a new convention here, new C++ construct here. That is the typedef keyword, which allows the programmer to create new names for types such as int or more commonly in C++. Okay, so it is just a type definition. For example, now we have a pointer function. Okay, to represent the pointer function for the pointers, we use this type def. So using type def, now we write a function called function pointer called ptr2 function. ptr2 function, and it's taking two arguments. It's taking two arguments. So this ptr will be able to point to the functions with two arguments. Okay, so that's a basically it's declared as a one type. Then if you get the look at this functions, we have a get data, and get data is basically uh, just going to display the numbers of a and b, and a and b, and it's by taking two input arguments and does not return any data type. And arith is another function which is having two input arguments, and whatever the received through x and y, it gets multiplied here, and the result will be stored to uh, z. So it will be stored in z, and the number of the product will be shown by using the cout statement. So here if you look into it, now we have a main program. In the main program, okay, you see that how it is that, since as I told you, this is a data type now. Whatever the statement we have written here, now it becomes a data type. Type def, no, it becomes a data type. Okay, so now when you have a data type, you must declare a variable. Declare variable. So now we declare a variable called ptr fn. So the ptr2 function will just provides an idea about what is the kind of pointer, and what would be what type of functions it is pointing. Now here ptr fn is equal to um, what is that? The address of the ptr function. It is initialized to the address of the get data. Address of get data. Then ptr function, now it is pointing to this particular function, get data. What are the requirement of get data? A comma a and b, both are integers. So there are two integer values are passed here, 5 comma 5. Then similarly, ptr the same pointer, after some time it's pointing to another member function called arith. Another member function called arith. Arith is also the requirement is what? X and y, two integer values. Okay, so the arith will give the arithmetic operation value, whereas get data will get the value from the program, and it will show. Understand? So if you type if you run the program, it will be like normal program only, like any other program. Only thing is now we are doing the work using the pointers. We are not calling it the member function straight away. We're just calling by using the pointers. Okay, you can see that the same program has appeared here, and now as we run the program, it's getting compiled, and so get data just it will display, as you know, get data will just display the numbers 5 and 5. That are only passing here. We're passing it here. Then the arith will put on this values here 5 into 5 into 25 into 25, 25 into 25, and the product of two numbers are 625. It's displayed here. You can see that how we have done by using the pointers. So declare a data type as a pointer, and make you declare a variable for it, and assign a address of the function to the pointers, then you can make use of it.